Welcome to Snap, Confirmer's reporting and reconciliation tool. Deployments. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly locate deployments in Snap. The process is simple and straightforward. You can carry out a board search using the spend type, card pool and date range filters, or a more targeted search, for example using a supplier name or the last 4 digits of the card number. In this example, we're going to search by spend type within a specific card pool and date range. To begin, select the Deployment tab. Choose a spend type, then a card pool, and enter a date range within a 3-month period. Choose a deployment status and click Search to run your report. Search results will be displayed here. Select an ID to view the deployment in more detail. Key deployment details are shown here. You can see an overview of matched transactions, or click to view the transaction in detail. Invoices can be found here. And linked documents can be accessed and downloaded here. You should now feel comfortable in the process for locating deployments by spend type, card pool, statement date range, supplier name, passenger name, record locator, and more. We hope this video has given you all the information you need on the topic. If you do require any further information, please go to help.confirmer.com.